Hey Alex, what's up?
So, I don't know, I guess we're going to be unboxing a couple of launchers. Or kind of
We got Beyblade launchers
So
from China, probably brand China. So that's what we're gonna see off of eBay. So all the best stuff comes from China, from eBay. Have you about $10 for 2 of them? So
I'm about to carrot Tommy.
we're gonna see how awesome they are.
You ready?
And do we have a real one to compare to?
Yeah, we have this real one right here.
This one's legit.
The launcher that Vault uses with Valkyrie.
That's so expensive you don't have a handle for it because it costs too much?
Yeah, just launcher alone was $20, and this is way less.
Was it really?
Yeah, just launcher alone. This is way less. Okay, let's get into it.
China.
So here they are. How do we get this open? I got an idea. I have this here. I don't know if this will work. Just bounce right off.
You want me to just help you open it? Because I know how to open packages. Hey. Dude.
What
What are you doing? Want a knife?
Sure.
Yeah, let me just get this machete.
Yeah, it's a machete. It's giant. Yeah, definitely.
Here.
Yeah. Just a multi-tool. Say it's a machete, then just pull out a multi-tool. Wow, it's a knife.
My baby Leatherman.
Wait, I gotta cut away from myself.
Next video, we show you how to use a Band-Aid.
Yay.
Cool, man. I was hoping to see these things faster than 20 minutes. Go.
Okay.
If you're getting bored of it taking too long, just wait longer.
What the heck? It's on left mode right now. This is cool.
Let's see them. Bring them up.
Whoa. That spring is way stronger.
Alright, so, unlike the real ones, it doesn't say anything on there.
Yeah, it doesn't say Beyblade on it at all.
China blade.
And the one thing though, like look at this when it rips back. Ready?
I'm looking, man.
Ready? Look how fast it goes. And then compare it to the real ones.
The one that's probably wore out. Okay.
Now compare it to the real one.
Okay.
There's a big difference here.
That's right. Bye, China.
Wait, I think this
All
has
right.
a longer string. Does it?
Alright, they came with handles.
There's a longer string, guys.
Cool. They came with grips, handles, whatever you call them.
Big grips.
We got, what colors we got? We got blue and mustard.
Blue and gold.
Oh, blue and gold.
Oh, so stiff. This is the only thing with China. Oh, grips.
Really?
They're so stiff. They're hard to get on. That's why you don't need to snap the one.
How do you know? You don't even have a legit handle for your other one, so maybe that's normal.
I've used my friend's before. Here, you can use that one.
You know, you're not supposed to use your friends.
My friend's grip handle.
Oh.
At school. Because of course we play this there. I just put all my weight on it. It's barely even on.
Alright.
Let's
Go ahead and get these things set up.
Ready?
Alright, here we go. Time for a battle.
I'm using Anubius while he's using Stricken Requiem.
Now, the Beyblades are legitimate.
Yeah, the Beyblades are legit. I'm using Hasbro right now. He's using Karatomi.
Yeah, they definitely don't say Beyblade on it, but let me see.
Well, I actually just launched
cool,
it, and
whatever.
it feels so much smoother just launching. But I don't know if it's better
You're
yet.
looking at like $5 a shot here, so.
Well, nothing's 20, and I feel
here we
like
go.
these ones are better. 3, 2, 1, let it.
Crap.
That's what happens when you use a string launcher. Guys, he doesn't know how to use string launchers. He only uses stuff like this.
Whatever. Dude, now it fell apart. You know,
It bursted.
here, when they just fall apart and they don't work, you just grab another one. That's usually the best way to go.
And then I have to fix it. That's what everyone does in school. Oh, at least the people who don't know how to put them back
So
together.
no one else in school plays Beyblades either.
Ready?
This almost down.
You have to do it. Yeah. Sometimes you have to do a click.
Okay, ready?
3, 2, 1.
3, 2, 1. Let it fall off.
Oh, mine just fell off.
Okay.
Okay.
Come on, let's go quick. It falls off.
3, 2, 1. Let it. I didn't want that barely.
Which one's mine?
What?
Which one did I put down?
This one's yours.
Dude, that's cheating. Oh, and is this one yours? Okay, now we know.
That was a draw.
Alright, let me see if this fits the official Beyblade launcher better. Oh, man.
I just burst.
Alright, then they just fall apart, so.
These actually sound like the kind that Left Burst uses, or Beyblade Geeks. That's how it's supposed to sound.
Heck no.
These ones I think are better so far.
There. Which one's better?
I feel like the China ones, like the fake ones. Well, mine is a little bit worn out, but it was kind of like this one.
Yeah, got it. Here, let me see this. This is the real one, right? So, this kept falling off the China one. Might stay put better on here.
Are you gonna use
I'd
the
say
real
stay
one?
put better. I can't get it off.
You can't with those ones, so you can't even get it off. The thing is that the prongs are way too small.
Yeah, there may definitely be a difference there in the design of that. So, for basically no investment, really. It's very cheap. I'd say it's just fine and dandy. Who knows? All right, I'm just gonna
3,
leave
2.
it.
How did it fly that way?
Because it came off partly.
Like,
All right, so
it's like he's trying to do this.
I'm just gonna put another one. That's not what I did. I was actually.
I know, but it flew away. That's what I'm saying.
All right, so.
Ready? Okay. Okay, we're shooting again. Okay, that's good.
All right, so
Ready?
I switched launchers. All right, so the China launchers do not hold on as well. They definitely fall off pretty easy.
Yeah. After you can see those prongs.
The official launcher,
Holds on.
I mean, it actually
It's actually kind of hard to get it to fall off.
actually really holds on.
And then if you put it on a
I
China
don't even know how they
one,
come off.
if you put it on a China one,
So, I don't know. May have to heat and bend the ends a little bit and see if I can adapt the grip to it a little bit. Who knows? But, anyway.
hey, that was weak.
Still fine to play with. So overall, I mean, they look, it's a pretty good copy, but quality of the piece here that holds it on there is definitely not as good. Plastic here, it's made a little bit better. Almost.
Well, then if you look at the Hasbro launchers like this, they're completely fine. They do that. Even the Securitomi ones, they do that.
But at the price point, it's fine to do. Now, do the handles fit the? Do the cheap handles fit the real ones?
Yeah, they should. But I don't want to risk it.
Don't risk it.
They could get stuck.
Is it going that way?
Mhm.
Or is it going this way?
Well, I really love the grip. It's so comfy. Yeah, it's never gonna come off. Okay, well, that basically wraps it up.
Try to get the grip on here.
Oh my god.
Alright, so I don't know if the grip will go in or not. You might be able to force it on there.
Yeah, but it'll probably be stuck in there forever and never ever come off. So keep the grips that they come with the launchers.
Alright, so not the same quality as the legit ones.
Yeah,
But they work. Fun to play with.
and now we can
They're
actually.
definitely not going to get stuck on there.
And now we can actually have the luxury.
And if they're hanging on there, they can launch off sideways, which can always be fun too. Alright, I think it about wraps it up. So, alright, Alex. What's up? Till next time.
Bye.
See you later.